Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all 5G network issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, tap here, then go down, tap on reset, go down, tap on reset mobile network settings, tap here, tap on reset settings button, enter screen lock password, tap on this reset button. Done. See the message network settings reset. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the mobile network settings. That's all. After this reset operation, we can close this. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then tap on connections. Tap on mobile networks. Then tap on network mode. So here we have to set this first option, 5G auto connect. Set it. Tap on network operators. Here we should enable this. Go back. So if you want, you can enable voice over 5G. If you are outside home network, enable data roaming. Go back. Tap on data usage. So here we have to enable mobile data. Done. Then you can check 5G. 5G should work. So this way we can fix all 5G network problems. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.